So last time I told you how to identify the base of the transistor. So either by looking at this particular notch here, this notch implies this particular lead is emitter, this one is base, and this one is the collector. Or you can see the shape of the C. For those which we do not have a notch here, the same shape of the C, the top one will be collector, base, and the emitter. So now we have put it on the breadboard. We will check whether these two, which one is PNP and which one is NPN transistor. We have put the knob on that diode part only. Okay, so you have to put it in that same diode place. We will see the reading. Now let us put this red color knob at the base. So that's the base which we have identified. And now let us put this black one, negative one, to the collector. So there is no reading. We will take out the black one and we put it on the emitter. There is no reading. Now let us reverse it. We will put the black at the base. So I am putting the black at the base. And now I will change the position of this red one. I put it here at the collector. You can see the reading, 0.674. Some kind of reading is there. Now you take out the red one, keep black one same, base one same. Base we are not changing. Put it at the emitter. Again you can see some reading, 0.676. So what do you observe? That the base is connected to N negative. Then it is giving some kind of output. So the base is N. So this is a PNP type of transistor. Okay. Now let us see the other one in the same manner. So we will put the negative at the base. So we have identified this as a base. We'll remove this. So we will identify this as a base over here. And let's put the positive here. There is no reading. Similarly here, see there is no reading. We are changing the position of the emitter and collector only. The base we are keeping constant, remember that. So it is not showing reading here nor here. So it is not of the PNP type for sure. Now let's check whether it is of NPN type or not. So we put the positive at the base, put the negative at the collector. You can see some reading there. Yes. Now similarly you change the position of the black one. See again you get a reading, 0.7 something. So base is positive, P. Base is positive. So this will be a NPN transistor. This is one way of checking a NPN and PNP transistor. Another method, in this particular multimeter we are having the provision of finding the PNP and NP directly putting it in this over here. So for that we will change the position of the knob from here to this over here HFE. We will change the position of the knob there. Okay. So we have changed the position of the knob. And now we are going to put these transistors. So just now we have found this transistor and we will put it over there. See, this was positive here and negative here. It did not show any, but it was, we have to now check it over there. So we will put this over there in this particular and check whether it's a NPN or a PNP type. Now see over here, it is written, you have to note this. See, it is written emitter, collector, base here. emitter, collector, base, emitter. So accordingly you have to put it. Similarly here also, emitter, base, collector and all is written. So accordingly you have to pierce the knobs inside over here. Correct? So you have to be careful. Once we will put it here and check it. Another time we'll put it here and see which one it is. So we have put the transistor over here, as you can see. And what do you see? There is some reading over there. So that's the NPN variety, not the PNP. Now let us put it in the PNP and see whether it is giving some reading or not. So we'll take this out. Care should be taken that it is emitter, base, collector. So I put it here. See, it does not show any reading. So it is not PNP, it is NPN. Now likewise you can take the other one and check it. See, we have put the other one. When it is at PNP, it is showing reading. Okay. When it is PNP, it is showing reading. Now you will change this over here again. So you don't get any reading here. So this particular transistor is of the PNP type. It is not NPN. So like that you can check the NPN and the PNP transistors. That's all. Bye.